In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice with a Pay Now button. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that gets your invoice out the door quickly and makes it effortless for your client to pay online. Start on your dashboard and look for the green Create New button. It's usually up high and easy to spot. Clicking this opens up the tools you need to build a fresh document. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, just confirm you're on the main screen where new documents are typically created. Next, choose Invoice. This opens the invoice editor, where you'll see fields for your client, line items, and totals. Think of this as your workspace for assembling a clean, professional bill that's easy to understand at a glance. Now, select the client. Use the search bar or drop-down to pick the correct company or person from your list. Double-check the billing email and any contact details shown to make sure they're accurate. A correct recipient ensures your invoice lands in the right inbox the first time and avoids back and forth later. Add your item or service. Create clear, descriptive line items so your client immediately recognizes what they're being charged for. Include a short description, quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. If you charge by the hour, enter the hours and your hourly rate. If you sell fixed-fee services or products, list each one separately. Precise, plain language descriptions reduce questions and help payments come in faster. Before you send, turn on Accept Online Payments. This is important. Enabling this option adds a Pay Now button to the invoice your client receives, so they can submit payments securely right from the email or invoice page. It removes friction, supports instant payment by common methods, and often shortens the time it takes to get paid. If you see a toggle or switch for online payments, make sure it's on. You'll usually notice a quick confirmation that online payments are enabled. When everything looks right, click Send. Take a brief moment to proofread totals, names, and descriptions. You can include a short, friendly note that summarizes the work and thanks the client for their business. Sending will deliver the invoice directly to the client's inbox. That's it. Your client will receive the invoice with a prominent Pay Now button. They can open it, review the details, and pay immediately. You'll be notified according to your account settings, and the invoice status will reflect that it's been sent and, once paid, marked accordingly.